just having you guys follow me along on a little subculture. So I'm going to cut up this container of vanilla and transfer it into this larger vessel. And then I'm also going to transfer some into this temporary immersion biocoupler reactor. So I'm just sterilizing my tools real quick, putting them in the heat, ready to go. Scissors. So the first thing I'm going to do is cut a vine and then break it down. So you can see it really needed to grow. Those roots are what's fuzzy. Sometimes people think that's fungus, but it's not. So I'm just going to come in here and make a cut. Make sure my tools are cooled down. Oh wow, you can see that vine has really grown in. I'm gonna make a couple cuts. There we go. And to make that easy, I'm actually gonna just take that base. Already actively growing. Has shoots inside there. All right, as you can see, that's there. And then let's go ahead and break this down. So everywhere a leaf is coming from, you can technically cut this and break it down, and a new shoot is going to come from that. Sometimes I'll do every 2, every 1. I like to leave the growing tips with a little bit more just so that they can become vigorous. So you can see we can make a lot of plants. Just from this one container, we could probably make over 50 X plants. And I like to trim the roots if they're a little bit too long. But the more whole you keep a plant, the faster it'll grow, because it's pretty much going to be photosynthesizing and also like an autotrophic, where it's using the sugar, right? So not phototrophic, it's more of a heterotrophic type of level at this point, where it's using both metabolisms. There we go. So that's pretty much cut up. Let's see. Just gonna go ahead and place them right back in the media upright. So we have our temporary immersion, which should regrow very well, our regular container, and then also this larger vessel. People ask me what this vessel called. It's a We Vitro vessel. They're supposed to be used as a temporary immersion rocker style reactor, but they don't work that well. I just have these as extra, so you can just use a bigger container if you got it. Thanks.